So the first one involved we were doing a bridge replacement over a river, and this is in southeast Wisconsin. And all of a sudden, a little single prop plane had a crash landing in the river, just a couple hundred yards upstream of where the job site was. So the plane somehow managed to kind of float down the river and kind of park itself next to our job site. So we rushed over and check on the pilot. Thankfully he was totally okay. But he was kind of like distressed about how he was going to get his plane out of the river. And so he looked at us and saw that we had a 150-ton crane sitting right next to the bridge, and he's like, "Hey, can I use your crane to pull my plane out?" I'm kind of look at him. I'm like, "Well, it's not a bad idea, honestly." So I called up our safety department, and they had me write out a quick kind of letter that indemnified us in the event that anything went wrong. But sure enough, he rigged up his plane, and we hooked onto it and pulled this little plane out of the river with this 150-ton crane. So it's pretty funny. I don't think we even charged him anything for it, but he gave us like 50, $100 or something. So that was the guy's beer money for the night. So yeah, it was pretty funny.